SDBOX also includes a complete set of tools for building surveys and as-built drawings directly inside your CAD environment. In the SDBOX ribbon, the floor plan, section, and elevation tools are organized as practical drafting workflows, so you can move from measured data to clean, printable drawings with a consistent structure. For floor plans, SDBOX provides tools for walls, openings, doors, windows, stairs, ramps, projections, room labels, material notes, levels, hatches, dimensions, legends, and title blocks. The result is a detailed as-built floor plan with organized annotations, opening labels, level marks, symbols, hatches, and a print-ready layout. For sections, SDBOX helps you work directly from the floor plan, using refs, projection lines, structural sections, height marks, level references, doors, windows, stairs, annotations, and material hatches. The final section drawing is clean, readable, and ready for plotting, with levels, dimensions, notes, legend, and title block. For elevations, SDBOX supports facade and elevation drafting with levels, projections, openings, roof details, hatches, exterior elements, annotations, and drawing titles. From floor plan to section, from section to elevation, and from CAD drafting to plot preview, SDBOX helps you produce professional building survey deliverables faster, more consistently, and directly inside AutoCAD, BricsCAD, GstarCAD, progeCAD, and ZWCAD.